climate change menace or problem or impact is bigger than planting a tree. A tree is only one component of sequestrating or absorbing the carbon dioxide or the pollutants that have been caused. It is not the only solution. FLOCA supports provision of building what we call the local level adaptive capacity. It makes the people to adapt to the warmer earth, hotter air, less water, less food, and to have information to react and respond by themselves. Two, FLOCA mobilizes climate finance, money, pesa, na hiyo pesa inawekwa kwa mkononi ya wanyonge kwa kijiji, so that they can now use the money mobilized from the global systems, bring it to the national treasury. The national treasury will take it to the counties. For example, in Nyeri, we have given them over 400 million to respond to the locals of the people what they want. Macadamia has been enhanced.